So, GoPro just dropped a bombshell. Mission 1 is finally official, and trust me, this isn't just another camera upgrade. Pre-orders kick off May 21st, and if you're quick, you'll score a free point-and-shoot grip. Yeah, that's a $100 bonus for just being early. This launch is massive because GoPro's moving away from the hero name. Instead, Mission 1 is all about action cinema. Think pro-level specs that'll make your jaw drop. You've got 3 models right away: Mission 1, Mission 1 Pro, and the ultra-slick Mission 1 Pro Grip Edition. They start shipping globally May 28th, with specialized creator editions rolling out in Q3. But let's get into why this matters. The Mission 1 lineup has a brand new 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor. That's right, 50 megapixels, so your footage is sharper, more detailed, and absolutely stunning, especially in low light. Powered by the new GP3 processor, you get 8K at 60 frames per second, buttery 4K 240 slow-mo, and wild 1080p 960 bursts. Plus, 14 stops of dynamic range and 10-bit color mean your videos look cinematic straight out of the camera. And if you're a nerd for lenses, listen up. The Pro ILS model finally brings a micro 4/3 mount to GoPro, interchangeable lenses for insane creative control. Audio's getting a huge upgrade too, with built-in 32-bit float and a dedicated wireless mic system. So interviews, vlogs, or action scenes sound as good as they look. Waterproof to 66 feet, no housing needed. Pricing? Mission 1 starts at $599, but GoPro subscribers get $100 off every model. If you're already subscribed, just make sure your account's active before launch day to lock in the discount and that free grip. Bottom line, Mission 1 isn't just a step up, it's GoPro's boldest move ever. If you're serious about action, creativity, or just want the best camera tech out there, this is the one to watch.